Have you ever wondered how brands grow without spending tons on ads? Well, the answer is content marketing. Whether it's blogs, videos, social media posts, or podcast, content is what turns strangers into loyal fans. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how content marketing works, why it's powerful, and how you can start using it to grow your own brand or business step by step. So let's dive in. If you want to watch all episodes in order, then I recommend you to check out my podcast in the above cards. The first thing we are gonna see is what is content marketing. So what exactly is content marketing? Content marketing is the strategic creation and sharing of valuable, relevant and consistent content to attract and engage a target audience and ultimately drive profitable action. You are not just selling, you are educating, entertaining or inspiring. Think of blogs, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, email newsletters, ebooks. All of that is content marketing. For example, when HubSpot publishes new blog tutorials on marketing, that's content marketing. When Nike tells athlete stories instead of just selling shoes, that's content marketing too. The next we are gonna see is why content marketing matters. Why should you care about content marketing? Here's why it's powerful. First one, build trust. People buy from brands and they trust. Content builds that trust. The second is drives organic traffic. Great content ranks on Google and YouTube. Third, supports all marketing channels. You can reuse content across email, ads, social media, etc. The fourth one is cost effective long term. A blog post you wrote a year ago can still brings leads today. The most important stat is businesses that blog get 67% more leads than those that don't. According to HubSpot. Now we are gonna see 5 steps of content marketing strategy. The first step is know your audience. Before creating anything, ask who am I talking to? Create a simple customer avatar like age, interest, problems, goals, etc. Example, if you are targeting small business owners, what do they struggle with? Maybe it's getting leads, managing time or social media. The second step is choose your platform. Don't try to be everywhere. Pick 1 or 2 platforms to start. You can start with blogging, great for SEO, YouTube, great for discoverability, Instagram or TikTok, great for visual brands, or email, great for building deeper relationships. The third step is create valuable content. Now create content that solves problem or adds value. Educating is important, like tutorials or how to like videos. You can also consider entertain, like memes, behind the scenes videos, etc. You can also inspire, like creating quotes, stories, or testimonials. One of the pro tip is use that 80-20 rule. 80% you have to give helpful content and 20% you have to post promotion of your service or product. We can use various tools like Canva for graphics, ChatGPT for ideas, Google Docs for writing your scripts, and CapCut for editing video content. The first step you have to do is be consistent. One viral post won't build a brand. Consistency is key. Set a content calendar. Post 2 per week or weekly blog or monthly email. Use tools like Trello or Notion to plan ahead to make a content calendar. The last step you have to do is measure and improve. What gets measured gets improved. Track insights like views, clicks, shares, conversion. You can use various tools like Google Analytics, YouTube Studio, Instagram Insights. All tool links that are mentioned in this video are attached in the description. So check it out. Start small. Your first blog or video won't be perfect. and that's okay. Learn, adapt, and keep showing up. So now you know what content marketing is, why it matters, and how to get started. Whether you are growing a personal brand, a YouTube channel, or a full business, content is the fuel that will power your growth. What type of content you are planning to create first? Drop a comment below and let's chat. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a next episode.